সর্বোচ্চ 12টা টাইম।
আচ্ছা I am Pratap Chandra Mandol, English teacher, School, Secondary School. I think that you are well. I congratulate you all the students of class 8 and invite to attend my class. Now we can go to our lesson. Our lesson unit 5. Do you hear me? Hello, do you hear me? Unit 5, lesson 6. The people have to please listen to our class and see or let us go to see our book. First, I can read out and please listen to me. Do you hear me? All this time, the dog was listening to her friend's house project. She was wondering how insincere his project were. She was wondering how insincere his project were. The dog hung her head down and was quiet. Quiet means silent. The owl got impatient. He wanted to hear more praises. He looked at the dog and asked, "Don't you have any good thing to say about me?" The bat joined the owl. "Yes, don't you have any words of praise for our kind host?" The dove was ashamed of her friend's bat and kept her eyes down. The owl asked the dove, "Come on and see something." "Dear friend, do you have this space? If any question of yours, you can ask me." The dove lifted her head slowly and said, "Master Owl, thank you very much for the shelter you have given me. Thank you for the food you have offered me. I will remain ever grateful for this." If any pronunciation in this lesson have you in your mind, you can ask me. Now I can say some new words here or gigantic words. Wondering means astonishing. Wondering means astonishing. Wondering means astonishing. Insincere means fake. Insincere means fake. Insincere means fake. Space in hours. Space means Words. Praise, 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 praise means appreciate or applaud, applaud, applaud or appreciate. Applaud. Host means host means guest. Host means guest. Host means guest. Host means guest. Grateful, 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 grateful means thankful. Thankful. Dear student, if any questions have in your mind, you can ask me. We can discuss more new words. Lift, lift means raise. Lift means raise. Lift means raise. Lift means raise. Now we can some questions discuss. Let listening means attentively hear. Attentively hear. Listening means attentively hear. Asked means asked means forcefully come. Asked means forcefully come. Now we can ask some questions. What does the word insincere? 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 We can say insincere means lack of sincere. You understand my space? Insincere means lack of sincere, or insincere means hey. Insincere means insincere means lack of sincere. Do you understand, dear student? Do you understand? Insincere means lack of sincere. Next question. What did the dog think Why did he drop the thing? Why did he drop thing? That the bat was that that is in that the why did the dog think that the bat is insincere? The dog and the bat must knew that the owl could not receive them cordially. The dog and the bat knew that the owl could not receive them cordially. With the hope of getting more food, with the hope of getting more food, the bat praised him highly. With the hope of getting more food, the bat praised him highly. So the bat thought that bat is insincere. The dab the dab and the at knew sorry that firstly the owl did not receive that achieve cordially receive them cordially. So the bat is very sincere. Next, what made the owl impatient? What made the owl impatient? More food for the bat. She praised highly. So and the dove was very silent. So the owl made impatient. So the owl made him impatient. Thank you very much. Next lesson, it could have, we shall speak with you in the next class. Thank you very much.